So, sorry, Spur, I just had to, I just stopped my recording, so if you do want to come forward, I know where we are now. I don't know. Can you tell me who's with us? Can you come forward? We're just going to have a walk through the woods. I do know quite a bit of history about this place. If you would like to come forward, that would be amazing. Just gonna have we're just gonna have a nice walk. I know there's some beautiful energies up here. Really lovely energies as well. If you want to come forward and say your name, I'm giving you a voice to talk into this for me. Something about darker. There might be some darker ones, but we're not communicating with you. Oh. We just want to communicate with lovely energy today. Spirit form with a lot of love and light. Because I know quite well of this place. Can you tell me any of the history about this place? What happened? There's a lady coming through quite a lot. Would you like to come forward and tell us your name, darling?
Spewing.
And I also know a story of someone on the lake up here as well. Could you tell me about that story? The story was probably on the news. Was the man or boy 30? Was he 30 when it happened, or was he younger? The energy feels great round here. We're at the lake right now. Can you come forward and would you like to come forward and tell us a little about what happened, or would you like to come forward and 30 again? Was that 30 to? Or would you like to come forward and just have a little chat with us? I mean, you no harm. Just here to be respectful and have a chat with you. You might be able to see my lovely guide who's with me. Eddie. Was your name Eddie? Thank you for giving us your name. My name's Joss. I want to know if you want to come forward for me. Can we work with your energy, Eddie?
For joining us.
You're joining us? Is that what you were saying? If you could try to speak out loud as well, you'll probably be able to speak into this device.
You know, you... Oh, no.
No. But oh no.
Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. Oh, it's afternoon now for us. But good morning if it's morning for you.
Long.
Thank you for nice manners. Eddie, was it you who was swimming up here, or was you on a little boat years ago, and there was an accident?
Right. On Tuesday.
Was it on a Tuesday?
Process of all.
I'm stood near a bench right now. I've got the name here. Would you like to come forward and tell us your name? I'm going to sit on the bench.
It's not a difficult.
Do you find it difficult?
You have it.
You just have to work with the frequencies and bring your energy forward. You'll be able to talk to us.
Actually playing across.
Playing across? Was you playing across this lake? Is that what you're trying to tell us, or something different?
Boxing YouTube.
This is going on YouTube. Link is in the bio, guys, if you
Incredible
get to this far on the YouTube.
ability of.
So I'm going to keep walking up here now. If you do want to come forward, I'm going to be recording for another 2 minutes in this video. So you're more than welcome to come forward and tell us anything. And then I'm going to go visit this tree up here where there's loads of items, and where I think and heard of a little girl who sadly passed up here years ago, I think in the 80s.
Wells tried to get. What?
Well, thank you for communicating me around the lake right now. I'm gonna end this in like 50 seconds, and then I'm gonna carry on later. Okay. Well, thank you. Can you come say goodbye?
To you.
I don't know if that was something to you.
6 or so years.
Thank you for coming forward with your lovely energy. I appreciate you.
Minimize. He's not interested.